Hey viewers, what's up? This is Mohammed Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. In this video, I'm going to talking with about the top 4 features about the Google Photo Gallery. So what's that 4 features? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. So before just starting my that video, I request you, if you are still not a subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still not, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. So here is guys, this is the Google Photo Gallery is there, and here you will also get this app in your Android mobile phone. So first of all, you need to open up it there, and here guys you can see that everything is there, and here you will get all the images and the photos, videos, everything is there. So for the first tips is that first of all, go to in the For You or the assistance that you will get. So from here, now go to in the Try Now. So here you will get an option called the Add Partner Account. That means after just clicking on that, get started there, and here you will get all those email accounts which you have saved in your Google contact here one by one, and from here you just type an email ID there, and by that you can also now share your photos with your partner. Suppose here I just type here my this email ID is there, and here from they just want to know about this which gallery I want to show. This is the all photos, the photo of specified faces. So from here I can also choose the photo of specified faces also. So from here I just select on the all photos. From here click on the next and click on the send invitation, and by that they also get an invitation from my that email ID, and here after that it will work, and which photo I just sent it there, this photo will be linked up with this specified person on their specified email account in their Google Photo Gallery. So here is guys, this is the thing. Now go to in the second tips is that you just go to in the 3 dots from here, go to the settings from here, and here you will get another option is the remove video from the motion photos. And here this only means whenever you just on it there, that time whenever your Google Photo Gallery get backup, and that time it will skip the videos, it will only just take the photos, it will not take the videos. And you know also guys that the video takes a lot of spaces instead of a photo. So guys, you can also do this to save spaces in your online Google Gallery. So here's guys, the number 3rd feature is the remove geolocation. So from here you can also remove the geolocation if you just on it there from photos and the videos. If you take photos or the videos, that time this camera also search the location, and by that it works. But whenever you just on this remove geolocation, that time it also work on that. So go to in the 4th tip is the backup and the syndication. So whenever go to there, just on this backup and syndication from here, and here you can see that they have some things are there like that. So from here, first of all, click on these photos. So the mobile data will only back up the photo. If you just on this video, that time also it will back up the videos whenever you are using the mobile data. So I refer you, if you badly need to back up the photos in your mobile phone, whenever you are in the mobile data mode, that time you can just only on this photo mode, so that it just consume your less data. Now go to in the backup device folder. So from here, from which folder it takes the images. So from here I just suppose that this is the backup will come from the WhatsApp images. So from here it will only take the images from the WhatsApp images only, otherwise it will not work. So from here you can use another option is the buy 100 GB for BDT 150 taka. As you know guys, you already get 15 GB free space in your Google Drive, so I don't think so that you need to buy this data also. So here is guys, these are the things that I want to show you, these awesome features which powered by Google Photo Gallery. So I hope guys it will be really enjoyable and interesting things for you guys. And now you also need to use those things in your Android mobile phone. If you guys get some more fun and get some more advantages after just using these tricks in your Android mobile phone, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video guys, share this video with your friends and so on. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.